Welcome back to the range, folks. If you have ever stood at the counter of your local gun store, staring at a wall of wood and steel, trying to pick out a dedicated rig for whitetail season, you know exactly what analysis paralysis feels like. You ask 10 different graybeards what the absolute best rifle is, and you are going to get 10 completely different answers. The funny thing is, depending on their mission set, whether they are pushing through dense brush or glassing Cross Canyon, they are probably all correct. But today, we are cutting through the noise. We are talking about the heavy hitters, the platforms that deserve a spot in every serious shooter's safe. Because here in the States, a hunting rifle is a hell of a lot more than just a tool to fill the freezer. It is a fundamental component of our culture. It is baked into our DNA, from the deep hardwoods of Appalachia to the high desert plains out west. The tradition of the hunt is the bedrock of the American experience. We have got whitetail, mule deer, elk, moose, and feral hogs, all being managed and harvested responsibly by armed citizens like us. To do that job effectively, you need a weapon system that is capable, durable, and dead nuts reliable. In this video, we are breaking down the most proven, the most legendary hunting platforms you can get your hands on right now. We have got some certified classics on the bench today, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. The Rifleman's rifle first, up on the roster. We have to pay our respects to an absolute titan of the industry, the Winchester Model 70. This is arguably one of the most battle-tested and proven hunting implements ever devised by man. You will often hear this rifle mentioned in the same breath as the Remington 700, and that is for very good reason. The Model 70 has withstood the test of time and then some. In the gun community, this platform earned the title of the Rifleman's rifle, coming out of the Winchester Repeating Arms Company. You already know the fit, the finish, and the mechanical reliability are going to be top tier. Winchester cemented their legacy way back in the 1800s. They were the masters of the lever gun. We are talking about icons like the Model 1894 and the Model 1873, which is rightfully known as the gun that won the West. But when the Model 70 dropped in 1935, it set a completely new standard for what a bolt action could be. It borrowed the best mechanical features from the dominant bolt guns of that era, specifically the Mauser 98. It utilizes that legendary Mauser-style controlled round feed, complete with that massive, non-rotating claw extractor. That means the bolt grabs the cartridge rim and holds onto it from the moment it leaves the magazine, all the way into the chamber, and all the way back out during extraction. It is a phenomenally reliable system that prevents double feeds and jams under stress. On top of that mechanical genius, the Model 70 was built to be lightweight and aesthetically gorgeous. That classic American walnut stock with the sharp diamond checkering just feels right in the hands. After the Second World War, when the economy started booming, the popularity of this rifle went stratospheric. Gia's returning from overseas wanted to get out into the woods, and the Model 70 was the gold standard waiting for them. Since those days, Winchester has chambered this action in just about every cartridge known to man. Just recently, in 2018, they dropped a modern iteration chambered in the flat-shooting 6.5 Creedmoor. When it comes to accuracy potential, you are not going to be disappointed. The internal geometry, the lockup, the action timing. It is all engineered to deliver consistent point of impact shot after shot, season after season, even after sending thousands of rounds downrange. The semi-auto legacy. Now let's switch gears and talk about something a little different. A semi-auto, the Browning BAR. Now this rifle has a serious pedigree. It is a sporting rifle derived directly from the original Browning automatic rifle, the BAR that saw heavy combat use in the Second World War and beyond. The original was designed by the absolute genius John Moses Browning. It was introduced back in 1918. That wartime BAR was a fully automatic beast, chambered in the powerful 30-06 cartridge. It was essentially the M249 SAW of its day. It served the U.S. Army all over the European theater and in the Pacific. That legacy, that battlefield-proven design geometry, speaks volumes about the quality of the action. Today's Browning BAR is a dedicated sporting rifle, but do not think for a second that just because it is a civilian adaptation, that it isn't a serious piece of hardware. The action was heavily modified, turning it into a reliable and smooth-shooting semi-automatic to tame that raw performance for the modern hunter. What you get is a venerable hunting rifle that feeds from a 3 or 4-round detachable box magazine. It is available in all the popular calibers you would want for medium-sized game, like 7mm, .308, and .243. They even produce a beautiful safari variant, chambered in .338 Winchester Magnum. That is more than enough kinetic energy for tackling the largest and most dangerous game in North America. One of the best aspects of the BAR is its surprisingly lightweight design for a semi-auto platform. Even the heavy-hitting .338 BAR comes in at just a little over 8 pounds. That is only about a pound heavier than many bolt-action rifles in the same caliber class. And because it is a gas-operated semi-auto, the recoil impulse is incredibly mild and manageable. That soft recoil helps you stay on target and allows for fast, accurate, and consistent follow-up shots if the situation demands it. The American Standard. All right, you guys knew this one was coming. You simply cannot have this discussion without talking about the Remington Model 700. This rifle is the definition of an icon. It has likely seen more opening days than any other rifle on this list combined. It is used by guys buying their first gun, and it is trusted by seasoned long-range experts. The 700 is famous for its fantastic ergonomics and its legendary out-of-the-box accuracy potential. Since it hit the market back in 1962, this firearm has absolutely dominated the bolt-action landscape. Listen to this. Remington has moved over 5 million Model 700 rifles. That includes over 900 different configurations and variants. Those numbers are staggering, and they are a direct testament to the timeless quality of this design. So what makes it tick? The Model 700 utilizes a push-feed action, meaning the bolt face simply pushes the next round out of the magazine and into the breech. The real magic, and the marketing genius behind it, was Remington's 3 rings of steel concept. This system was all about action strength and user safety. You had a ring of steel from the bolt head recessing into the barrel, a second ring formed by the barrel itself threaded into the receiver, and a third ring formed by the forward receiver ring. All of this steel surrounded the case head, making for an extremely strong and safe lockup. That consistency is a huge part of why the 700 platform is famous for its precision. That accuracy and reliability wasn't just noticed by hunters. Back in the 1980s, the U.S. Army adopted the Model 700 action as the M24 sniper weapon system. Later on, around 2010, the Army upgraded those chassis into the M2010 enhanced sniper rifle. That conversion involved taking the original .308 long action and rechambering it for the much more potent .300 Winchester Magnum. The fact that the military could do that, putting that much increased pressure on the original receiver geometry, is all the proof you need regarding the action's durability. This military pedigree is exactly why the 700 became the go-to footprint for civilian precision rifles. And for hunting applications, it remains one of the all-time greats. The modern workhorse. Next up, we have a much more modern contender that has absolutely dominated the entry-level market. The Ruger American Rifle series. You cannot have a conversation about modern hunting implements without bringing this platform up. Ruger launched this line of medium-weight bolt guns back in 2011, and they have been flying off the shelves faster than dealers can restock them. So what makes the Ruger American such a standout? Even though this is a mass-produced, budget-friendly firearm, it delivers terminal performance that punches way above its price bracket. These rifles are incredibly lightweight, which makes them a dream to hump up and down mountains all day. They handle fast, and they are famously accurate. Ruger packed these things with features that used to be exclusive to high-dollar custom builds. Now you get a rugged, all-weather synthetic stock. You get a cold hammer-forged barrel, which provides excellent harmonics and a massive service life. And you get Ruger's proprietary integral bedding block system, which creates a rock-solid, metal-to-metal lockup between the action and the stock. The barrels are also free-floated from the factory, which is a huge aid to consistent accuracy. On top of that, the triggers are user-adjustable. You can tune the pull weight to your exact preference right out of the box. The Ruger American is available in a massive variety of calibers, You can grab one in the classic 30-06 Springfield for dropping big game. Or you can get the ultra-reliable 223 Remington for varmint control and predators. And basically everything in between. But the biggest selling point is the affordability. You can often find these rifles on the street for as low as $400 because of that price point, the feature set, and the reliability. A lot of guys, myself included, view the Ruger American as the spiritual successor to the Remington Model 700 for the 21st century. It is just that good. And because it is so popular, the aftermarket support is massive. You can customize these guns to fit your exact mission requirements, whether that is hunting, precision target work, or just plinking at the range. The Precision Hybrid. Last on our list, but by no means least, is the Weatherby Vanguard. This rifle often gets labeled as a high-end hunting rifle. It is a very popular choice for seasoned shooters who demand extreme reliability and sub-MOA accuracy. The Weatherby name itself carries a lot of weight in this industry. The company was established by Roy Weatherby back in 1945, from day one. Weatherby was known as a purveyor of premium, hard-hitting bolt-action hunting rifles, especially out on the West Coast. In the 1960s, Weatherby partnered with the Howa Machinery Company out of Japan. This partnership is what gave birth to the Weatherby Vanguard rifle. The Vanguard was designed specifically to be a more cost-efficient alternative to Weatherby's legendary Mark V series. The Mark V was, and still is, a very exclusive premium hunting rifle. Not everyone could justify that price tag. But the Vanguard, it delivered that Weatherby performance at a much more accessible price point. It quickly became a staple for American hunters. To this day, Howa is the manufacturer for the Vanguard's action and barrel. And let me tell you, they do a phenomenal job. Howa ensures that this firearm is incredibly accurate right out of the box, especially when you feed it quality match ammunition. The action itself is interesting. It is not a pure Mauser style, and it is not a pure push feed. It is sort of a hybrid blend, using an M16 style claw extractor on a Mauser-type bolt body, regardless of the technical nuance. The action is rock solid and extremely effective. The Vanguard line is available in 16 different calibers, so you have plenty of options to choose from. You can get the 223 Remington, which is perfect for varmint hunting, or you can step all the way up to the 375 Holland & Holland. That is a legendary, all-around cartridge that will stop large and aggressive game dead in its tracks. The modern Vanguards even come with a sub-MOA accuracy guarantee. That means a 3-shot group at 100 yards, measuring 1 inch or less. They also ship with a high-quality, crisp, 2-stage trigger, making the Weatherby Vanguard one of the absolute best values for the money in the hunting rifle market today. And that is our list for today, folks. 5 of the most iconic, reliable, and effective hunting rifles on the planet. Obviously, there are a ton of other great options out there. So I want to hear from you. What is your go-to hunting rifle? What did we miss on this list? Drop your thoughts and your loadouts down in the comments section below. If you got something out of this video, do us a solid. Smash that like button, click subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you do not miss our future uploads. As always, stay safe and shoot straight.